Welcome to your step-by-step guide in how to wax your nostrils from home. How scary does that sound? I can promise you now it is not as bad as you think, and it definitely does not hurt if done correctly. So stick with me and I'll show you how. Hi guys, my name's Becky and I'm a licensed esthetician. I am somebody who's here to help you with your waxing journey. So for starters, you want to make sure you have your pre-wax cleansing spray. It's really important to make sure that you cleanse the inside of the nostril. I recommend a few sprays onto the cotton pad, fold and fold again. This is going to give you a point to go into the nose and clean round the edges of the nostril. Remember, we're only waxing what's in the entrance. We're not going further up the nose canal. It's really important that we don't put that stick too far up into our nose. Make sure you have a smaller spatula. This is really helpful to get into the nostril. You want to take a small amount of hot wax, like a pea-size amount. It's important you don't overload your spatula, otherwise you could get in a mess. You're going to go into the entrance of the nose. So you're going to go in and twist. As you're twisting, it's grabbing the hairs around the edge, but it's also stopping it from dripping out onto the lip. Some helpful tips: if you are a man and you have obviously a moustache or a bristly area here, just to place either a wax strip, bit of paper, or even a larger spatula just underneath to protect any of the wax that may potentially drop onto the hair that you don't want to remove. That's really helpful just in case you are waxing and it's your first time at doing this. I recommend that you avoid any Q-tips, as this is really dangerous, as when you go to put it in, when you pull out, you would have seen many videos I'm sure online, the stick gets stuck into the nose because obviously the cotton wool will get attached and has nothing to pull for grip. So keeping it to your spatulas is your safest option and the easiest option to wax your nose hair. Once it's set, and you'll be able to feel that it's starting to set, it will start to go nice and hard. You can feel and press around the outside to make sure that it's not tacky. Once you're happy that it is set, you want to make sure you support the nose. When you go like this, you can see there is movement. I'm looking directly in a mirror right now, so I recommend that you have a mirror yourself just to make sure that you've got good grip. You support at the bridge of the nose. By doing that, that stops less movement. As I let go, it starts to drag the nose with it. This will be painful if you go to pull. So support the bridge of the nose, get your handle, make sure you've got good grip, and a quick pull downwards, no hesitation, straight out, and it will pull any hairs that come from the nostril just within the entrance. Remember, we're not going too far up, just going in and out, no further than this. Once you're finished with your nostril wax, you can enjoy the smoothness of the entrance. Trust me, they've told me that apparently it knocks off 10 years when you take your nostril hair away. So enjoy that. Gonna pop some after wax oil onto my cotton pad, fold and fold again, and then we're just gonna replace that little bit of moisture back into the nose, and it's as smooth as you like for the next 4 weeks.